Dear student, hope you will be fine. Today we will study about in multimedia the available paint and draw tools, and with the help of these tools what functionality we will get. Now in generally we can say that these tools generally come with a graphical user interface. As we know that we have different type of interfaces like a CLI, we can see that command line interface. With the help of that we are interacting with the system with the help of commands and a graphical user interface. In this interface we will get pull down menus for quick selection. Now with the help of these tools we can create almost all kinds of possible shapes and resize them using these tools. Now drawing file can be imported or exported in many image formats. For example, we have .gif, we have .tif, we have .jpg, we have .bmp, etc. Now, some of the painting and drawing tools of drawing softwares are CorelDRAW, we have freehand software, we have Designer Photoshop, we have Fireworks, etc. Now these tools have following features. We will summarize these features one by one. With the help of these tools, we of paint and draw tools, we can do the following things. Now, point number one, we can draw a straight line. We can draw a rectangle area. We can draw a circle area, etc. Now the second thing what we will do in paint and draw tool, we have different type of color selection. So we can say that we can get different color selection option in paint and draw tool. Now the third point we will get in this, we will get a pencil tools to draw a shape with the help of free hand. Now the fourth point is that with the help of that, the erase tool to erase. Now in this, we have zoom option so that we can magnify pixels. Now let us take some software examples. So to understand the painting and drawing tool, let us take the example of CorelDRAW. Now in CorelDRAW, one can create illustrations from scratch, means at the root level. CorelDRAW can be used to improve clip art, picture and photos. Now CorelDRAW software, it is an ideal tool for any design project. Like we can do technical drawings, we can create advertisements, we can create logos, etc. Now it can be used to create a full color presentation for illustrations. So painting and drawing tools are most important. Hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.